Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy A55. To do this, first we'll need to check all of the speakers on this phone, and the first one is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker right here. Another one is on the bottom right here, and that's the main speaker on this phone. And that would be all of them. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speaker with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that means this device does have these stereo speakers. So now let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, one at the bottom and the phone call speaker as well. And that confirms that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.